Welcome back, my dear students. Today we will learn about SARS, a serious lung disease caused by coronavirus. It spreads mainly through droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks. There is no specific cure, but good hygiene, wearing masks, and early isolation can stop it from spreading. Let's learn how to protect ourselves and others from SARS with awareness and safe habits. What is SARS? SARS stands for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, a serious lung illness caused by a virus called the SARS-associated coronavirus or SARS-CoV. It first appeared in China in 2002-2003, spread to many countries, and made the world realize how fast new viruses can travel. How does this SARS can spread or mode of transmission? Many ways SARS can spread. Droplets. The virus travels in tiny droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks. If you are close within 1 meter, these droplets can enter your nose, mouth, or eyes. Direct contact, touching an infected person's body fluids like saliva or snot and then touching your own face, surfaces, or fomites. The virus can survive for a short time on things like door handles or tables. If you touch them and then touch your face, bingo, infection. Airborne, which is very rare. In hospitals, certain treatments like intubation can make tiny virus particles float in the air. But what is the note? SARS is not spread through food, water, or insect bite. What happens in our body? So what is the pathogenesis of SARS? Entry. The virus firstly enters through your nose, mouth, or eyes and finds special doors on your cells called ACE2 receptor found in the lungs and airways. Replication. Once inside the cell, the virus hijacks your body's cells to make copies of itself. Cell damage. New viruses burst out, killing healthy lung cells. Immune response. Your body fights back with an immune attack, but sometimes this overreacts and causes too much inflammation or cytokine storm. Overcome. Mild fever, dry cough, tiredness, body ache. Severe pneumonia, trouble breathing, and in worst cases ARDS or acute respiratory distress syndrome, where the lungs get flooded and can't provide enough oxygen. How this SARS is managed, treatment and control. No specific cure. Treatment is mainly supportive. This image showing the image of the virus. The supportive treatment means helping the body fight while preventing spread. Supportive care, isolation, keep patients away from others. Oxygen, give oxygen if breathing gets difficult. Ventilation, machines help patients breathe if lungs fail. Fluids, balance carefully so the lungs don't fill up more. Experimental drugs, some antivirals and steroids were tried in 2003 but didn't work well. Scientists also tested convalescent plasma using blood from recorded patients. Infection control, healthcare workers like PPE, mask, glove and gowns, clean disinfectant rooms and things the patient touches. Safely dispose of used masks, tissues and other waste. Track and quarantine anyone who was in close contact. Prevention. No vaccine was ever made for SARS. It disappeared before one could be developed. Early detection, isolation, contact tracing and public health awareness help stop spread. Good habits: wash hand, wear masks, cover coughs and stay home if sick. SARS showed the world how important hygiene, mask and quick action are to stop outbreaks. Many lessons learned from SARS help us handle COVID-19 better. So always remember, clean hands, cover coughs, wear mask when needed and stay aware. I hope this class helped you understand SARS, how it spreads through droplets and close contact, and how good habits like wearing mask, washing hands and isolating patients can stop this disease. Stay aware and protect your community. If you find this video or class helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more simply biology lessons. See you next time and thank you for learning with me.